Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon in Japan. First, you will want to create a new account on amazon.co.jp or link your existing Amazon account. Then, change the site language to English for easier navigation, which is usually found at the top of the page. Next, ensure your shipping address is correctly set to a valid Japanese location. This will allow you to access the full range of products available for delivery within Japan. When browsing, use the search bar for specific items or explore various categories like electronics or groceries. It's important to carefully read product descriptions and customer reviews, as these provide valuable insights into quality and fit. Always check the seller information and confirm product availability, especially for popular items. Many products are eligible for Amazon Prime, offering fast, sometimes one-day, shipping within Japan, which is a great benefit. Amazon Japan offers several convenient payment options. You can use major international credit cards, but a Japanese debit card or even convenience store payment, known as Konbini payment, are also popular choices. When checking out, select your preferred shipping speed. Standard shipping is often free for Prime members. You can also choose a specific delivery location, like a locker or a convenience store. Tracking your orders is simple through your account dashboard. Understanding the return policy is crucial. Most items can be returned within 30 days of receipt, often with free return shipping. If you encounter any issues with your order, Amazon Japan's customer service is readily available via chat or phone. Their online help center also provides comprehensive answers to frequently asked questions. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a smooth and efficient shopping experience on Amazon Japan, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.